Have you ever tried eating raw garlic or onions? Besides leaving an amazing aroma in your kitchen, eating garlic and onion can also be amazing to prevent breast, prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. Did you know that? A study done in Puerto Rico with 660 women who had breast cancer for the first time or that didn't have a history of cancer showed that those women who ingested more than a portion of raw onions and garlic a day had 67% less chances of developing breast cancer. Funnily enough, eating cooked garlic and onions or in any other way doesn't give the same benefits. To the researchers, it happens because the antioxidants that prevent and fight cancer are destroyed when heated. Still, according to the researchers, being exposed to diallyl disulfide and S-allyl-mercaptocystine, compounds found in garlic and onions, and the ones responsible for the characteristic smell of these ingredients, is what prevents the cells from dividing uncontrollably, causing cancer. Is this video being helpful? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Besides that, quercetin, one of the antioxidants found in onions, suppresses a mutant protein of breast cancer. Allicin, present in garlic, inhibits the uncontrolled cell division. However, when heated to 212 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 60 minutes, these compounds are reduced. Interesting, isn't it? But for Dr. Simon Vincent, the research director, even though the results of this study are intriguing, more studies are necessary. Only this way can they come to more precise conclusions about how ingesting raw onions and garlic can reduce the risk of breast cancer. According to the BBC, the same study was done on men in 2002. According to this research, done on more than 700 men and published by the National Cancer Institute of the United States, garlic and onion can help reduce the development of prostate cancer in men. At that time, they examined the diets of 230 men who suffered from prostate cancer and 471 other men who didn't have the disease. According to the study, the risk of developing prostate cancer for men who eat more garlic and onion is 50% smaller than for those who don't eat them. So keep in mind that even though their smell and looks aren't very great, ingesting garlic and onion is linked to a smaller risk of developing breast or prostate cancer. It is worth it to remember that people who eat more than 0.35 ounces of onion, garlic, scallion, and shallots, a type of onion we have seen before, would have fewer chances of developing this disease. Did you know that? However, according to Dr. Simon, the trick to avoiding cancer is keeping yourself physically active, reducing the consumption of alcohol, and keeping a healthy and balanced diet. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.